Hello guys, and welcome to another great review on the channel. Today we have a real treat for all fans of speed, technology and urban mobility. We present you the OOTD T10 Electric Scooter, a model that is not afraid of hills, potholes or city traffic. It is an e-scooter that already promises a lot on the paper with a 500-watt motor, 11-inch off-road large wheels, powerful brakes, top comfort, a powerful design and a range of up to 45 kilometers. And all this for a crazy low price. It's time to look at it all after the intro. Let's start in order. Unboxing. The scooter comes in a sturdy cardboard box with additional protection inside, which contains the device itself already partially assembled, which is great. In addition to the scooter, the box also includes OOTD T10 Electric Scooter user manual, which explains in detail how to use this device easily and simply. We also find a small bag containing tool and screws for attaching parts and get the scooter running. We also got a double amount of stickers with instructions on how and where to stick them on the scooter if you want, which we did. Finally, there is a fast charger. You just need to tighten a few screws on the rear fender, a couple of screws on the steering wheel and of course stick on the stickers if you like it. And as you can see, the scooter was assembled and covered with the stickers in half an hour, all with the watchful eye of my cat. And here we are out there ready to ride. At the first glance, the T10 leaves a strong impression. It looks like it was designed for the urban jungle, but also for trips off the asphalt. It is a scooter that visually represents power, solidity and seriousness without looking clumsy. Its silhouette is modern, functional and in line with the aesthetics of today's urban electric vehicles. Yellow detail stands out on a completely black body, something that even a Batman would dare to ride. The scooter's frame is made of reinforced steel with the additional layer of anti-corrosion protection, which guarantees durability and weather resistance. The surfaces are matte black, scratch resistant, while the edges are precisely processed using the CNC technology. Details such as the yellow springs on the shock absorbers, reflective strips on the sides and angle milled aluminum elements give us a recognizable techno-industrial look. The deck of a platform for standing is much as 23 cm wide and 50 cm long and is coated with the anti-slip silicone layer with a geometric pattern. This detail is not only visually attractive but also functional. It allows for stable standing even with the longer shoes size. The designers also paid attention to the ergonomics of the steering wheel. The bars are wide and slightly curved inward, which allows for a more natural grip and less fatigue in the palm during long rides. In the middle of the steering wheel is a large, legible, truly huge LCD screen, and on the sides are all the control elements. Buttons, knobs, brake levers are positioned intuitively and easily accessible. Considering its size and the power, the T10 is surprisingly harmoniously designed. There are no unnecessary elements, nothing sticks out, nothing looks cheap, everything has its purpose, from the massive back metal mudguards that protect against splashes to the hidden cables that are elegantly rounded through the interior of the frame. At the heart of this model is a powerful 500-watt brushless motor, which is a peak reaches even 900 watts of power, which means that can not only handle city driving and daily climbs, but also overcomes inclines for up to 35 degrees without any problems. The drive unit is located in the rear wheel, which additionally contributes to the better weight distribution, a sense of stability and a better control when acceleration. The motor has even 27% higher energy efficiency compared to the competition in this class, which means lower consumption and longer working life. Powering this motor comes from a 48-watt 13-amp-hour automotive-grade lithium battery, which provides a realistic range of up to 45 km depending on the rider's weight, driving style and terrain configuration. The battery is installed inside the frame, which protects it from the weather conditions and mechanical damage. Another big advantage is a 3 ampere fast charger, which allows charging from 0 to 100% in just 4 to 5 hours. Forget about waiting for hours, just turn it on the evening and it's ready for the morning commute. Now the braking system also deserves special attention. The T10 uses 140mm mechanical disc brakes with a ventilation disc and metal pads. This system provides reliable and safe braking even in the higher speeds. Dual suspension system ensure comfort and absorption of bumps. At the front and the rear there are reinforced springs with a shock absorber system that successfully neutralize vibrations and bumps from the road. The tires are also impressive. The 11-inch pneumatic tires with a deep off-road profile provide extremely good grip and control even when driving on the gravel, wet asphalt or even tram tracks. The wide profile and deep channels improve contact with the ground, and the edges are additionally reinforced to prevent cracking when going off the curb. On the steering wheel there is one of the largest I've seen so far, a screen illuminate huge LCD display which allows it all important informations at all times: speed, remaining battery capacity, driving mode, eco, low, high, 3 modes, total distance traveling and signal status. This screen is visible even from a space in direct sunlight thanks to the powerful backlight. Now let's take a detailed look at the handlebars. On the left we are greeted by the several key functionalities. Right at the top under the fingers on the left hand there is a classic metal bell. Next to the bell there is a switch for the LCD lights, a simple button that allows you to choose between white and yellow headlights depending on traffic conditions. The switch for the turn signals or LED direction indicators is also located with the reach of a thumb. Slightly lower is a button for charging the driving mode by pressing. If you switch between eco, low and high modes, this option allows you to adjust the power and speed of the scooter. On the right side of the handlebar next to the throttle there is a red digital voltmeter. A small LCD screen then constantly displays the current battery voltage. The display is clearly visible both day and night thanks to the bright and red numeric LED lighting. Below it we find the lock in which we insert the key, turn it and we start our scooter for riding. We should not forget about the safety components either. The T10 comes with the front dual 106-degree wide headlights that kill the darkness in front of you. There is also powerful rear light signals with emergency flashing functions during sudden braking, which significantly improves visibility and safety in traffic. And of course, the necessary left and right direction indicators. The functionality is further improved with the patent folding system. One click is enough and the scooter folds in just a few seconds. When folded it fits easily in most trunks and the whole process is faster than classic systems. Riding the OOTD T10 scooter cannot be described otherwise than impressive and powerful. From the first moment you step on the platform, you can feel that this vehicle is built for serious riders. The robust construction and a generously wide deck immediately inspire confidence. Everything feels solid without unwanted movements or wobbles, even with heavy riders, considering that it's carry up to 150 kilograms. The scooter comes factory locked at 25 km in accordance with the EU laws, which makes it completely legal for use in public city traffic. However, for those who want to experience its full potential, the speed can be temporarily unlocked each time the device is started up. The maximum speed then reaches around 50 to 55 km per hour. But of course this is done at your own risk, because at that speed you enter a high performance zone that is more suitable for experienced riders and conditions outside traffic lines. When unlocked, reveals the completely new nature of the scooter. The feeling of acceleration is truly adrenaline pumping. The moment you turn the throttle is felt instant and your body naturally leans forward. It feels as if the scooter is pulling you strictly to the steering wheel, but without the feeling of insecurity. The handlebars are wide and ergonomic. This contributes to the precise control even at the higher speeds. While driving on a city asphalt, the scooter behaves perfectly. There is no engine noise, no creak, no strange vibrations, and when you come across bumps such as speed bumps, tram tracks or damaged surfaces, thanks to the double suspension, the ride remains surprisingly smooth. Vibrations in the hands are reduced to the minimum, and the feeling of safety does not decrease at any time. The T10 is not just another electric scooter, it is a complete solution for personal transportation, blurring the line between practicality and excitement. You get the power, comfort, safety and functionality in one package, which makes it a serious competitor in the world of high-quality e-scooters. And all this at the current price under $500, which is the most affordable in this class of scooters. For urban drivers looking for transportation without compromise, this is a great choice. This scooter simply does not give the impression of the toy but a serious vehicle. I must also mention that the T10 in the black and yellow variant is now sold out, but you can choose the equally stylish and unique black and gray design option, which is still available. The purchase link is below this video, be sure to check it out. Don't miss out the chance to take advantage of current promotional pricing as quickly as the offer is limited. And grab your OOTD T10 e-scooter today. Thank you for watching this review. Click like, subscribe to the channel and be sure to leave a comment. See you soon in a new video review. Until then, drive safely. Bye.